My name is Travis Canary. I am from Palmer, Massachusetts, and my major at STCC is biology. I interned at the Palmer Town Hall Conservation Department, and I learned many skills involving conservation and the necessary steps to protect the environment. Some of my duties in the administrative sections of my job were to fill out paperwork and look at maps to make sure that where someone wanted to build or change the area was not a protected area. There were forms to fill out that would be necessary if the person wanted to make those changes. The STEM Starter Academy internship program assisted me and made it easier for me to be able to quit my job to pursue this internship and focus on my studies. After my internship, I was able to get a job at the town hall itself as a records manager, thanks to the skills and connections I made while there. I'd like to give a shout out to Summer Greer and Jason Phillips for doing the STEM Starter Academy, and to Jason for being a wonderful advisor. I think the STEM Starter Academy is a wonderful thing, and I am glad that I participated in it.